The government has welcomed the arrival of the aircraft carrier, the USS Nimitz, to Kingston, calling it a symbol of long-standing bilateral relationship between Jamaica and the United States. Minister of Education, Skills, Youth and Information, Senator Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon, and Minister of Energy, Transport and Telecommunications, Darrell Vaz, received an exclusive tour of the vessel on the weekend as it made its way to the port of Kingston for what is being dubbed a friendship mission.
It's really just a symbol of the US-Jamaica friendship. We have a relationship that spans so many areas, from education to security to transportation, and it's a relationship that we value as Jamaica.
Minister Morris-Dixon highlighted that the visit will offer a unique educational platform for youth, as well as hands-on community support.
This is an unforgettable moment, unforgettable day. Things that you dream about, that you're actually experiencing. Probably few civilians get this opportunity in a lifetime. And so I want to thank you. But more importantly, just to reiterate what Minister Dixon said in terms of our relationship with the United States of America, unshakable, unbreakable.
During its week in Jamaican waters, the USS Nimitz will host and participate in a series of community initiatives. The warship is expected to remain in the island until June 5.